Welcome to another Daily Classics Top Pick based on originality, condition, and price. Today's feature car is a 1976 Triumph TR7, the shape of things to come. My name is Robb. You're watching the Daily Classics channel. Let's go check this car out. I found this car this morning on Hemmings Motor News. They have something called the Best Offer format. It's almost like an auction where people could put a best offer. And then what's interesting is the ad shows what these offers are. So you can quickly gauge the potential of the market price on this car. Now, Hemmings Motor News is probably not the best place to try to sell a Triumph TR7, but it does give you a good feel of where the market is. This car is a 76 edition. It's called the Victory Edition, which I didn't even know existed until I saw this car today. He's asking 12,500. It's based out in California, and he states that he put $30,000 in receipts, and it was restored over 15 years ago. The Victory Edition came with air conditioning, a vinyl roof, the white spoke wheels, which is really pretty, and special stripes on the car. And this one is about as nice as you'll find them with all its unique mechanical and electrical quirkiness. This car is stunning. I mean, there's really not much to really critique about the car. You know, the TR7 was built from 75 to 81. It was very popular in its day, and it was known for its very stylish design. Understand this car came, the predecessor of this car was the TR6, which was a real roadster. The TR7 in its coupe design was really nicely isolated from the road. And, you know, you really felt that you were driving this car, almost like a personal feeling when you were inside this car, having owned one. It was a beautiful car to drive around with. It was stylish, it was sporty in its way. And most important, in the dealership, it was pretty affordable as well. But the TR7 was not without its problems. It was known for poor quality, and most of the quality came from its build quality. And I think they changed assembly plants like 3 times for this car until they got it right. And they finally did get the quality right. But by that time, the car was, the life cycle of the car was ending, and Triumph was leaving North America. We wouldn't see anymore. So this is a really good looking car. And we'll dive into the ad and tear it apart a little bit. Seller State said he's got 15,000 miles on the car, which, any car that has a 5-digit odometer, we're always a little leery of 15,000 miles being original. But we'll take it on the surface that it is original miles until we talk to the seller. It's based in California. They've had 4,300 views on this car, which is a lot. And there's 10 comments that talk about the car below, but nobody's put any offers in. There's 67 people watching the car. So that's interesting. So the car's got a lot of eyes right now. And believe it or not, the asking price for 12.5 is very affordable. And if you can buy this car for $9,000 I think you'd get a great car. But it's not for everybody. Not everybody likes the TR7, so it's a personal thing. He provides 2 videos. I won't take you through that, but overall, the exterior of the car is outstanding, detailed. Everything looks correct. It has a beautiful stance, with its shocks and its springs, make the car sit very well. I don't notice any excessive gaps or problems with the hood or the doors. Uh, I don't see any rust on the car, and I looked at all those photos. Uh, you can see that he's put money into this car. $30,000. He'll have receipts, but you can see that the car is fully restored. So you're getting a really pampered car here, folks, and somebody that probably knows this car inside and out. And that's another very good benefit about buying a car like this from somebody that has done such extensive work on the car. So you can never replace, he put 30,000 into it. I believe it, based on what I'm seeing here. So he's not at all making money on this sale, selling the car right now. So the exterior of the car looks beautiful. The interior is as beautiful. I'm not sure if this wood applique here, this burl wood, it's part of Triumph's OEM look, or the person made it a kit and put it on the car, but I think it looks very well. Nice big analog gauges, big steering wheel, 5-speed transmission. The dashboard looks beautiful. There's no cracks or rips. The seats, the door panels, everything looks really nice. The overhead, he has the original radio in the car, which is pretty cool. There's his air conditioning vents in the center, as well as your controls here. Let's see what else we have. Yeah, the headliner looks beautiful. Door panels, excellent. You know, the seating surfaces with Triumphs back then, they used like this corduroy type material that really was durable and also very comfortable. And I like how the contrast look. I like the colors as well. Um, yeah, I mean, I can't see anything wrong with this car. I love the back window view here. You have a little tray area here, put some things there, but this is a fixed roof. It's not a convertible roof or a Targa roof or anything like that. It's a fixed roof. So that's a little safety minded too. But yeah, like the interior, and then the engine bay, super clean engine bay. There's your carburetors. This is not a fuel injected model, but nothing looks like it's been tampered with or really incorrectly done. The shock towers look beautiful. There's no rust anywhere. He's got the original stickers on the car. Looks like he has a new battery in it. There's the air conditioning. This is a photograph looking down, so we can see the air conditioning in the car. Air cleaner looks like it was resprayed recently, but looks very pretty. Um, I really can't see anything with this car, folks. There's the original sticker. There's the build plate that came with the car, and looks like he's done some work with the master cylinders, which is nice. So this person looks like the type of person that you want to buy a car from. The undercarriage looks really clean, had a live axle in the back. It did have a catalytic converter back then. All the sheet metal underneath this car is all original. There's no rust. So now let's get back to the conversation. Is this a 15,000-mile car? It probably is, based on what I'm seeing underneath the car. Yeah, all your supports had drum brakes in the back and disc brakes in the front. Um, yep, there's your frame. Everything looks original, not rotted or anything like that. So yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing. So the headlines for this car for me, folks, is that basically you have a car that was fully restored. uh, I can almost see where he spent the $30,000 on this car. You couldn't replicate this car for $12,500 if you tried. Um, is it worth 12.5? You always want to negotiate something, but if you could buy this car for $9,500 or something like that, I think it's well bought. The only problem is that you have to ship cars today around the country, and shipping costs are twice of what it cost you 5 years ago. It's just so expensive to ship a car today. So it's almost like you have to buy this car locally on California in that area. I mean, for me to ship this car to the East Coast, it's going to cost me $3,000, which is a lot of money, today. So, but that's it. That wraps up our top pick for today. To get all the details on this car, as you know, just please go to our homepage. You'll see a link for the Facebook link. You can join our Facebook group. We have 10,200 members there. Most of the 10,200 members don't like the TR7, but I do. So I take liberty with that. I like it a lot. Thank you for your support for this channel. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'd like to get more subscribers so we can do a live Q&A. Thank you for your support, and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. We'll see you here again tomorrow on another Daily Classics Top Pick. Thanks very much. Have a good day.